Now we already collected about a personal information. The some few questions we have been asked about a personal information about a customer. Now we are going to add one more section, that is a feedback on a product. Our product feedback we would like to ask with the customer. How to add that section? Here in this add question is there, no? Here last option is there, that is nothing but a add section. Add section, we can go to that add section. The one more section has been added. Here you can see section 2 of 2. This is the section 2 of 1. In the sense, two sections are added here. The title of this section is nothing but feedback on products. Okay, feedback on products. And you can give the description of the uh, a section, also give the right feedback, like that you can also write. Once you have been created a section, now we'll add a question to that. Add question here. Okay, first type of the question we are going to add is a checkbox. Okay, we'll be adding a checkbox. Checkbox is nothing but, checkbox question is nothing but, what is the difference between a checkbox question and multiple choice? In multiple choice, only one answer he has to select. Only one answer out of four or five choices you have been given. But in checkbox, he can select a multiple answers. He can select a multiple answers based on his opinion. Okay, for that reason, we are using a checkbox here. The question is related to where you place order, in the sense from where you are placing a order. Okay, is it option, first option we are giving here, first option mobile. Add option, here you click here on add option saying a laptop. One more option I'm going to give, add option, option 3 is a tablet. Or we can say add other. Apart from these three, then we can say add other. So other he will select, or he will select mobile and other, or mobile laptop both, or laptop and tablet both. Like this he can select any of the two or three, or all of them he can select when you are using a checkbox. Okay, this is about a checkbox and difference between a checkbox and multiple choice. Okay, then we'll add one more question here. Add question. The question is about your satisfaction, your satisfaction level in following factors. Okay, in a product, following factors in product. Okay, in a product we will be giving some of the factors. He has to select which will be suitable for him. Okay, what is his satisfaction level? Okay, so it will be by default, it has been detected that, okay, multiple choice grid option. Yes, multiple choice grid option we have to use, because we are going to ask more than one question here. Like one is a quality, second question is about a price, third question is about a design, fourth one is about a performance. Okay, these are the four questions we have been asked in a grid. Okay, four questions we have been asked. For these four questions he can say what answers he can say: either satisfied, satisfied, or he can say neutral, or he can say dissatisfied. satisfied. Okay, dissatisfied. Like this, three out of three options, he can choose anyone. If I say it is a required, okay, then this is nothing but how it will look. How it will look, if you add one more question, it will show. Okay, in quality he can select satisfied or dissatisfied, any of the one he can satisfied, any of the one he can select. Price also he can select any of the one. Design also he can select. Performance also he can select any of the one option. In the sense, we are giving a multiple choice for each of the questions. In a single question itself, we are asking all four questions. We are not asking one by one, because all the answers are repeating. For that reason, we are utilizing multiple grid here, multiple choice grid, to ask a four question in a single question. Okay, similarly we can use for a multiple checkbox. The same thing what you have been used here. Checkbox is nothing but same question with a multiple selection he can do. Okay, first we will learn here one more question type. Your satisfaction level towards our service. Your satisfaction level towards our service. Satisfaction level towards our service. Okay, it will automatically detect that linear scale is nothing but 1 to 5 rating. Okay, 1 to 5 rating, that is nothing but a linear scale. Or you can make it as a 1 to 7, 1 to 10, or 1 to 3, like that we can do. Okay, 1 to 5 is a commonly used. 1 is nothing but low satisfied, and highly satisfied will be 5. He will give 5 for the highly satisfied. This is the satisfaction level will be measured by using a linear scale type of the question. The one more type of the question we can ask here, satisfaction, that is nothing but a what to be improved. What to be improved. For example, what we will do one thing. We'll delete this particular question. We'll copy this particular question. Okay, we'll copy this particular question. Okay, we copied that particular question. Okay, here we'll change the question. What to be improved, and we'll select here in product 1. Okay, product 1, and second thing is a product 2 name. Okay, name we have to give here. For the indication purpose, I'm giving just a product 1, product 2, product 3. Three products are there. Okay, we'll delete this one. And here in column we are asking about a quality, and it is not a multiple choice grid, it is a checkbox. What are the things you would like to modify? Is it a quality as well as a price? Like that he can select a 2 or 3 things. Design and performance. Okay, these are the 4 things what we have been asked about their satisfaction. Same way we can ask in which product you would like to change, which parameter you doesn't satisfy, you can select that one, right? Here, for example, here you can say in product 1, I'm not like I don't want, I need to be improved quality as well as the design. In product 2, price and performance need to be improved. In product 3, all 4 need to be improved. So if you are using a multiple checkbox grid, then only we can able to construct this kind of the questions. Okay, then last one is about a feedback, asking a feedback, overall feedback. Okay, feedback. Okay, for that we what we can do, we can select a paragraph. By default it is selected. Okay, feedback, it will be lengthier. Okay, why we are selecting a paragraph? Because it will be take a lengthier text, it will be, so that we will be giving a paragraph option, not a short answer, because not a one line. It will be lengthier. He can write up one paragraph, 5 to 6 lines also he can write. Okay, this is about all other type of the questions we can ask. We have been utilized all of them, apart from the drop down. And drop down also same thing. in, it will not look like this, it will look like a drop down menu. Okay, if you are selecting for this one only, if you are selecting a drop down, what will happen? When you are looking, it will look like this. Okay, any of them can be selected. Okay, here we are using a multiple checkbox. Okay, this is a way we can use a different type of the uh, available date, time, all this we have been used. File upload we will discuss. Okay, file upload we will discuss. Okay, and all other type of the things we have been discussed here, adding a section, everything we have been discussed. We in next we will discuss about how can we use some of the tools for a promotion.